Relevant to the trust of Long-Live Pharma in providing Hyposol, a subsidiary company, Nutridense Food Manufacturing Corporation, was established to handle the production of technology-developed food products that addresses the problem of malnutrition among Filipinos. From the forum conducted by the DOST Pangasinan in 2013, I was convinced to adopt the rice mongo technology. It was followed by our first MOA signing with DOST FNRI, then the construction of the appropriate production facility and the purchase of the needed equipment. As a startup, the setup has helped us a lot in setting the company, particularly in the acquisition of needed equipment. The first tranche amounting to 880,000 was for the purchase of field cup seal machine for Hyposol. The second was a set of equipment for hot extrusion for the production of complementary food like Remo curls and blend, iron-fortified kernel, and iron-fortified rice. From the said purchased equipment, the company has used them in coming up with other innovative products that contributed to its sustainable growth. With the said set-up equipment, the company has achieved high production capacity as production process has been mechanized. Continuous product demand from customers, both from local and internationally based, triggered a continuous activity in the company. That includes increase in production, additional employment, increase in purchase of raw materials from farmers and suppliers, and delivery schedules. Marketing activities like joining the DOST Caravan and DOST One Store. Financial stability has also been noted that enabled the company expand its competency in production and customer reach to the 16 regions of the country. The company joined in various capacity building activities including MSME mentoring programs, where we were taught to write our business plan, including a backup business continuity plan in case of disruptions. Being prepared, we were able to thrive during and the post-pandemic period, hence immensely contributed in the provision of ready-to-eat and ration Nutripacks in collaboration with various government agencies and private sector, ensuring availability of nutritious products to Filipino family during the challenging period. Nutridense Food Manufacturing Corporation actively supports the country's nutrition programs like the SBFP or the School-Based Feeding Program of DepEd, the Supplemental Feeding Program of DSWD, the Tutok Kainan of NNC, the DOH Nutrition Program, to LGU by making these technology-developed products available to them through public bidding. We provide employment to the community. We had 7 employees in 2013 to over 100 employees today. We forged contracts with farmers associations as buyer of their products like rice, mung bean, and squash. Nutridense Food Manufacturing Corporation also strongly support preservation and protection of the environment by installing a 100 kilowatt solar power source, comply to EPR law, and practice the provision of solid management. One significant engagement for Nutridense is by being a big brother to other MSMEs like the Pangasinan Entrepreneurs Development Association Inc., where the company shared its experience and expertise to help them grow. Being a member in the different councils like the MESMED Council, Regional Ecological Council, and other councils under the RDC. Lastly, we give back by doing our feeding program in collaboration with other local churches and schools. What Long-Live Pharma and Nutridense Food Manufacturing Corporation today is partly through the help of DOST, particularly the setup. We were able to start and grow with the equipment purchased through the program. Aside from setup, with sincere gratitude, I would like to acknowledge the various assistants that DOST Pangasinan, DOST Region 1 Office, DOST National Office including FNRI, for their generosity. Without DOST, we could have not reached this far. We look forward to bolder partnership to come. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you, DOST!